Today we have a Whirlpool dishwasher. The complaint is that the unit is not cleaning well and is not getting hot inside. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get it into tech mode. In order to get it in tech mode, you have to press a sequence of buttons 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All the lights will illuminate. At this point, we should have an error code inside the system. So see, this indicator is blinking. This indicator is what tells you what the error code is inside the system. So you want to count how many blinks there are on this. And we'll do 2 separate ones. So we have error code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Count it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So error code 71 is indicating a heater error code. Now, that's the first error code in the system. This error code is notorious if the water is coming to the unit too cold to heat up within a reasonable amount of time within a certain amount of cycles. So what will happen is the unit will turn off the heater circuit and it will disable it until you go into tech mode and check out what the error codes are. So at this point, it's going to go into an automatic test cycle. Now, the test cycle will start. It will turn the sump, it'll fill up, it'll turn the sump pump on, and it'll start running. But what we want to do is we want to advance after the sump pump starts. We want to advance to the end of the cycle. After it drains, what we will do is we will open up the door and we'll pour cold water on the heating element to see if it will sizzle up. If it sizzles up, this will show us that the heater was just disabled because the water coming in was just too cold for a certain period of time, and then it should start heating properly after that. So now the water is into the unit. I do hear it moving. Now it is circulating the water, so the sump pump is turned on. Now to advance through the cycle, you advance by pressing start. So our sump pump is working okay. We will advance because according to the tech manual, after it has went through the cycle, what will happen is once it has drained the water, you'll hear the drain pump kick on 3 times. Once it has drained the water and that portion of the automatic test cycle is done, it will turn on your heating element. Now, at that point, you can wait about 30 seconds, wait for that heater to get really hot, open up the door, and pour cold water on the heater to make sure that it works. And what we're listening for is for the drain pump to kick on. That will indicate that we are at the end of the automatic test cycle. Drain pump is kicking on. I can hear the water draining out, so the drain pump is not clogged. Now it has drained all of the water out. So once the drain pump turns off, now this is turning on the heater. So we'll let the heater get nice and hot for about 30 to 45 seconds and pour some water on top of it to see if the heater is actually working. Okay, let's open it up. Let's pour some cold water on the heater. Okay, so at this point, the heater is not turning on. So we need to test out the heater. If the heater needs to be replaced, we will replace the heater.